Today we're going to discuss the natural sources of fresh water and salt water and their examples. When we say fresh water, these are bodies of water that contains low concentration of dissolved salts and many different mineral runoff from the land around it. When we say salt water, these are bodies of water that contains high concentration of dissolved salts and many different mineral runoff from the land around it. Now let's identify the natural sources of fresh water and its examples. Glaciers and ice caps are the largest natural source of fresh water in solid form. Examples are ice caps and glaciers found in Greenland and Antarctic. Rivers are strips of fresh water that runs through many places. Examples are Mississippi, Nile, and the Colorado River. Lakes are a large area of water surrounded by land. Examples are Lake Travis and Lake Michigan. Other sources of fresh water includes brooks, creeks, springs, ponds, and underground water such as well water and aquifers. Now let's take a look at the natural sources of salt water and its examples. Oceans are large body of salt water. Examples are Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic, Antarctic, and Indian Ocean. Seas are like oceans but smaller. They can be found where the ocean meets the land. Examples are Mediterranean, Baltic, South China, and the Philippine Sea. Other sources includes salt marshes and hypersaline lakes like the Great Salt Lake in Utah. The first picture shows an example of a lake. It is surrounded by land, so we can assume that the water in it is fresh water. The second picture is an example of an ocean. It is open, vast, and far from land. The third picture is the Colorado River. It is a strip of water that runs through many places, starting from its source in the Rocky Mountains and runs through Colorado, Utah, and Arizona. The last picture is the Mediterranean Sea, which is part of the Atlantic Ocean and almost completely enclosed by land. That's the end of the presentation, and thank you for listening.